Hello everyone, it's Natalie Matthews and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to be sharing what I eat to be healthy, and I eat mostly plant-based. I do sometimes eat meat. I'm not a strict vegan, but I am currently trying to eat a little bit more plant-based. But before we get into it, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so that you never miss a new video, and share this with someone you think would enjoy it. Oh, and comment if you guys would like to see more health related videos or workout videos. Just let me know. So I started out with blueberry instant oatmeal, and normally you would make it with boiling water and pour it over it, but I decided to take the amount of water it said to and combine the two in a bowl and then microwave it for 2 minutes, and that worked great. So that is what I had for breakfast. Here is what I'm eating. It's just blueberry oatmeal. I'm so hungry, so I'm very excited for this. Then I made my Starbucks dark roast coffee with some frothed oat milk. My favorite is the Oatly kind. It is the best oat milk you will ever try. And then I add liquid stevia, a full squeeze, which that is my favorite artificial sweetener. And then I add sugar-free and calorie-free coffee syrup, and then I top it off with Eateroni pumpkin pie syrup, and that I put over the frothed milk.
Baby, shine through and come and save me. I've been missing Lady Luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of.
Also, I forgot to mention that I always have this little Starbucks cold brew cup with me to drink water out of. And also, right when I wake up, I get myself a mason jar, like the one that I made my coffee in, and I drink that entire thing before I start my day. So I'm having sourdough toast as a little bit of snack in between classes. So this is just sourdough toast with vegan butter on it.
Watch the stars from different places on the phases we.
Okay, so I just made this salad. It's a family-size salad. I'll eat as much as I can, and I will give the rest of it to my mom. So. So I'm currently with a friend, but we are having some smoothie bowls with mango, strawberry, peaches, and pineapple. And then there's a frozen banana, a regular banana, oats, vanilla protein powder, vanilla, and cinnamon in it. And then we have bananas. It's kind of all melting, so they're sinking, but we have bananas, chia seeds, cacao nibs, and pumpkin spice granola that is sugar-free. So yeah, we're gonna eat this. Oh, and it's drizzled with honey. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next Tuesday.